So I cut my video and discovered how to open. This is the remote, and then you have to push this on the side because the lock is here, the side, and then you pull it, you push it downwards, and then it's gonna open. And then you have your battery. You put it here, facing downwards, right? And then okay, so we on. Okay, let's just turn on the fan. But before that, we have the fan on. Okay, it beat, then okay. So fun. Let's just swing. And then you stop, and then it stays. Then you can go by timer, and then I guess you can like okay, then off. It's so nice. Not the speed, you can control it like that, and then mode. You can have that. Then you have swing. Pero instead you get here, and you get here 26, and then how about silent mode? Wala akong silent mode. No. Okay, that's the silent mode. Silent mode is like 2. Level 1. Mababa yung kanyang. Yung pag 2. So quiet. 1. Okay. Yung hangin niya din ang mahina. So it's nice. We're gonna close, open beside the chair. And then we breeze. So meron din siyang tatlo. Go way 1, way 2, way 3. And then we have the ito yung silent mode. Wow. Wala talaga siyang tulog. That's 0. This is wala siyang tulog. Ganyan lang siya. It's very soft yung kanyang ano. Sumasayaw na. Normal ba na sumasayaw na? Maano yung akin. Ganun talaga siya. If you can see. Or maluwag lang yung pagkakalagay ko. Tingnan yung kanyang blade. Ayan, no, para siyang sumasayaw, no? Maluwag lang yata, no? That's the silent mode. And then, yan yung normal niya. Siyempre, pwede na naman natin ibaba yung ano mo. Parang mahirapan siya eh. Stop. Ayan, pwede naman natin ibaba. Parang normal na. Pero, pwede din natin ibaba yung kanyang fan. Ayan, kung di mo gusto na masyado na ano. Ayan, pababa siya. Tingnan nyo. It has a screen. Parang fake mo. Very nice. Or red clip. So we actually are able to do it. So have the on spin dial. Gusto ko yung spin dial nila. Ayan. We have the sleep mode, we have the nature mode, we have the silent, and we have the timer. So, pwede mo i-timer. 12 hours lang siya open. Then, pag mainit na, alam mo na dapat ka na gumising. So, you can program it. I do know meron tong app. So, we're gonna find kung may app pa siya. Ayan. On set. Okay. So, meron din siyang timer dito. So, pwede natin siyang timer. So, yun lang. Bye-bye.